Hello and welcome to the new style Edexcel GCSEs, the ones that go from grades 9 through to grade 1. This is paper 1MA1/1H. It's the first paper in the higher tier. It's a non-calculator paper and we're picking up in question 8. Here is a parallelogram. Work out the value of x and the value of y. Okay, well, to answer this question, a couple of properties of a parallelogram you should know is that opposite angles are the same and adjacent angles are supplementary. That means they add up to 180 degrees. However, if you don't know that, hopefully or even if you have a mental block because it's an exam, if you do know that this length is parallel to this length because it's a parallelogram, and this length is parallel to this length, again because it's a parallelogram. If you just know that, we can infer the information that we actually need to answer this question. If I extend this line out in a straight line, and we know that if you're walking along a straight line and you turn around and come back again, you've done a 180. So angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. And because this length is parallel to this length, then this angle is the same as this angle. So this angle here is 5x minus 20. It's the same as this angle here. And by the same logic, if we extended this length here, then this angle here is the same as this angle here. And therefore, this angle plus this angle is going to be 180 degrees, the same as this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees. And if this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees and this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees, then it's only common sense that this angle is the same angle as this angle. So we've inferred what we needed to know just from remembering that these lines are parallel to each other. So knowing that, we can work out the value of x and the value of y, because 5x minus 20 is the same as 2x plus 43. So we can write this down. 5x minus 20, excuse my bad handwriting, is equal to 2x plus 43. A little bit of elementary algebraic manipulation is required. If we move the x over to the left and the numbers over to the right, we're taking the 2x over to the left, so it becomes negative 2x. In other words, we're subtracting 2x from both sides of the equation. And we're also taking the negative 20 over to the right hand side, in which case it changes sign to become positive 20. In other words, we're adding 20 to both sides of the equation. So we're subtracting 2x and adding 20 to both sides of the equation. So we've got 5x minus 20 plus 20 cancels out, so we've got no number terms, and the minus 2x comes over here. And then the minus 2x and the plus 2x cancel out, leaving us with the 43 plus the 20. Combining like terms, 5x minus 2x, if you've got 5x's and you take 2x's away, you're left with 3x's. And that's equal to 43 plus 20 is just 63. And that means x is equal to 63 divided by 3. And 63 divided by 3, 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes into 3 once, so that's 21. So we can write that out there. And now to find the y, we remember that these two angles add up to 180 degrees. So 5x minus 20 plus 4y minus 5x is equal to 180. So we've got a 5x here and we've got a negative 5x here. So these 5x's are going to cancel out. So we're left with 4y minus 20 is equal to 180. If we take that minus 20 over to the other side, it becomes plus 20. So we're basically just adding 20 to both sides. So we've got 4y is equal to 180 plus 20. So 180 plus 20 is 200, so 4y is equal to 200. So y is equal to 200 divided by 4. Well, 4 goes into 25 times, so 4 into 200 is 50. So y is equal to 50. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.